Starting a YouTube automation channel is an exciting journey, but choosing the right niche can feel overwhelming. To help you get started, I've compiled 8 trending and profitable niches that have proven to attract large audiences and generate steady income. These niches not only have the potential to go viral, but also provide long-term growth opportunities for your channel. If you're new to this, YouTube automation is all about creating valuable content without appearing on camera. You can outsource various parts of the process, like script writing, editing, and voiceovers, allowing you to focus on strategy and scaling. Let's explore these incredible niches. 1. Book reviews and summaries. Books are timeless, and condensing their wisdom into short, engaging videos is a strategy that consistently attracts viewers. This niche thrives on helping people consume life-changing lessons without investing hours in reading. Think of topics like personal development, financial success, and relationships. These areas resonate universally. Books such as The Power of Now or Rich Dad, Poor Dad make great starting points. Channels like Better Life have perfected this niche with simple animations and voiceovers, turning complex ideas into digestible videos that rack up millions of views. How to succeed in this niche. Choose relevant books. Focus on bestsellers or evergreen topics that continue to captivate audiences. Craft insightful scripts. Whether you read the book yourself or rely on summaries, break down the core messages in an engaging manner. Create appealing visuals. Use animation tools like VideoScribe or Canva to design graphics that complement your narration. Voiceover options. If you're not comfortable recording yourself, hire a freelancer for professional quality narration. 2. NFTs and blockchain. Explain the world of NFTs and blockchain continues to evolve, making it a highly dynamic niche. Despite the market's volatility, the demand for content explaining these technologies remains high. Videos about how NFTs work, play-to-earn games, or popular NFT collections can generate substantial interest. Channels focusing on crypto gaming and blockchain reviews have seen exponential growth by leveraging trending topics and keywords like how to invest in NFTs or top blockchain games. Getting started with blockchain content research. Extensively, stay updated on NFT and blockchain developments through reputable sources like CoinDesk or Medium. Simplify complex ideas. Break down jargon into simple explanations so even beginners can understand. Enhance engagement with visuals. Add charts, infographics, or gameplay clips to visually explain concepts. 3. Engaging animal content. Animal videos are a universal favorite and consistently perform well across all platforms. Whether you focus on funny pet moments, unique wildlife facts, or captivating animal behaviors, this niche offers endless possibilities. For example, you could create content around exotic animals, endangered species, or even animal comparisons like who's faster, cheetah versus greyhound. Channels like TRTube thrive by keeping their topics simple yet engaging. Steps to succeed in the animal niche. Find unique stories. Dive into interesting animal facts or heartwarming rescue tales. Source visual content. Use stock footage or animations to create compelling visuals. Add professional narration. A great voiceover can make your videos stand out and keep viewers hooked. 4th, film and TV reviews with a twist. The entertainment niche is saturated, but there's still room for unique takes. Instead of generic summaries, focus on in-depth reviews, thematic analysis, or even ranking the best performances. For example, discussing hidden details in a film or fan theories can spark conversations and attract an engaged audience. How to make a mark in this niche. Offer fresh insights. Research reviews on platforms like IMDb and Reddit to identify overlooked perspectives. Avoid copyright issues. Use still images, brief clips, or original commentary to steer clear of content strikes. Add creative visuals. Use overlays, subtitles, and graphics to keep your audience entertained. 5. Tutorials and how-to. Content. Practical, solution-oriented videos are always in demand. Whether you're explaining how to use a software program, perform a DIY repair, or master productivity hacks, tutorials provide immense value to viewers. Channels like Tech Gumbo show how simple instructional videos, made with basic tools, can amass millions of views. Steps to build a tutorial channel. Identify problems to solve. Use forums like Quora or Reddit to discover common questions in your niche. Record clear walkthroughs. Screen recording software like OBS Studio is great for tech tutorials, while a simple camera works for DIY projects. Invest in editing. Edit your videos for clarity and focus, removing any unnecessary content to keep them concise. 6. Honest and relatable. App reviews. Reviewing apps is an excellent niche, especially apps that help users save money, improve productivity, or earn passive income. Demonstrating their features while sharing your honest opinion makes your content relatable and trustworthy. How to approach this niche? Research popular apps. Explore trending apps in categories like finance, gaming, or lifestyle. Create demonstrative content. Record your screen as you navigate the app and explain its features. Provide balanced feedback. Highlight both the positives and negatives to build credibility. 7. Video game story recaps. The gaming industry is booming, and story-driven content is a significant draw for gamers. By summarizing game narratives or analyzing their themes, you can attract a loyal audience. Games like The Last of Us or Elden Ring are excellent examples of titles with compelling storylines that viewers want to dive into. How to excel in gaming content research thoroughly. Understand the game's plot, characters, and themes before crafting your script. Engage viewers with narration. Use a dynamic and energetic tone to bring the story to life. Incorporate gameplay footage. Visuals are critical in gaming content, so ensure you use high-quality clips. 8. Luxury and lifestyle aspirations. The luxury niche revolves around aspirational content, showcasing opulent homes, cars, and vacations. With a higher CPM and a naturally curious audience, this niche is both lucrative and visually stunning. Building a premium channel, focus on quality, use high-resolution visuals and professional editing to maintain a luxury feel. Team up for efficiency. Work with researchers, scriptwriters, and editors to produce polished content. Highlight aspirational experiences. Share insights on dream destinations or luxury products that spark curiosity. Wrapping up, each of these 8 niches presents an incredible opportunity for growth and profitability. Whether you're drawn to the creativity of book summaries, the depth of gaming content, or the sophistication of the luxury niche, the key is to remain consistent and deliver value. Which niche are you most excited to explore? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to stay connected for more insights to help you grow your YouTube automation channel.